So how is microneedling going to help me? Okay, first I want to show you guys how sensitive my skin is. I don't know if you can see all of those red blotches that have came up. So my skin is super sensitive, and a lot of people will ask, is it safe to roller? My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe. To do micro derma roller on sensitive skin, and the answer is yes, it is. It's even safe to do on mild rosacea skin also. So if you suffer with sensitive skin, you'll be fine. And you know your skin yourself. If you're very reactive, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're usually fine with most products or ingredients, then you're going to be safe using home rollering as well. So